Hello class and welcome to week 7 of English 101 Online. For this week in English 101 Online, you will be crafting your health essay. Let's take a look at the assignment that you will be crafting for your health essay. For your health essay, you may choose to focus on one or more of the essential questions. Number 1. Are American food industries deliberately deceiving consumers on where the foods they eat come from? 2. Would implementing a food policy by the government in the United States really save millions of American lives? 3. If overeating is an addiction, should medication be used to curb obesity, chronic obesity? So these are the essential questions you may want to think about, and there are some other prompt questions that you can focus on as well, specifically from the documentary Truth About Food. Our American food industries deliberately deceiving consumers on where the foods they eat come from. Sally Fallon talks about the dirty secrets of the food processing industries. Are processed foods as unhealthy as Fallon states, or can some processed foods be nourishing to children? Make a case for your argument. From the obesity is an addiction. From Is Obesity an Addiction, the article. Should obese people be blamed for their condition? From Is Obesity an Addiction? If overeating is an addiction, should medication be used to curb chronic obesity? From How a National Food Policy Could Save Millions of American Lives. Would implementing a food policy by the government in the U.S. really save millions of American lives? And from Organic Schmorganic, is buying organic better for people and the environment? Lastly, from Sugar Overload, is sugar the biggest health crisis facing Americans? You may choose to focus on one or more of these questions, the prompt, or the essential questions to craft your essay having to do with whether it's obesity, whether it's sugar, or whether it's processed foods. So, and look at your prompt a little bit more. There's some other things like audience, the pages, and so forth that you'd want to focus on. And once you finish crafting your essay, I'd like you to post your essay on the discussion board for peer review. You'll be doing the peer review before you turn in the essay. I want you to highlight or underline the sources that are quoted in your essay, whether they're quoted or paraphrased. Highlight or underline your thesis statement. And highlight or underline your refutation paragraph. That is the paragraph where you address those who may oppose your point. So if you're talking about that organic foods are good, you may address those who do not believe that organic foods are good or any better, I should say, than conventional foods. Make sure to not only address your opponent, but also knock down their statement, show how it's weak. And then, of course, post your essay on the discussion board and respond to at least 2 other students. And I don't want you to just give one sentence. Really look at their sources. See if the sources that they have on their works cited page match the sources that are in their essay. All right, I hope this was helpful. Thank you.